Hi friends. In today's video we are unboxing my favorite, hands down favorite beauty subscription box of all time. I know that's pretty big, but of all time. We are unboxing the Eyescream beauty box. We have two co-hosts today. We have Miss Akira over here, and then we have Miss Aura that's over there.
You just stop talking.
All right, so the theme for October is a trick or treat. This is about $30 a month. I do have a discount code. It is Justin in all caps. Will save you some money off. So when you open her up, it looks like that. Let me throw away these thingamajiggies. Where's my bag? Oh. And here's a little sneak peek. Not too much, you know, like to tease a little bit.
Wow, you're a tease.
So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. And this is from Beauty Creations. It's called Plump and Pout. Lip Plumping Booster. Okay. I don't know. Oh, Legally Hot is the shade name. Yeah, I like that. Let me know how you guys are. You like in the state? Like I live in Jersey. And we're definitely in fall. And it's getting cold at night. But I love hoodies. So it's like exciting to me. I love when it's fall time. Like the trees are pretty. It's just pretty outside. I don't like all the leaves falling. But I don't know. It's just like the perfect time of year for me. What is going on? I'm literally ripping the box.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so it looks like this, a needle. All right, what you be? So this Legally Hot, that's the shade name. Plump and Pout is $7. Turn up the heat with this Halloween, this fiery lip plumper tinkles with spicy sensation. Oh no! Oh my goodness. I'll have to make a separate video. I have this red lipstick. I'm trying to get back into red because you guys know I like the reddish brown. And anyway, yeah, I'll do a different video trying this out. Oh God, I had a bad experience. I think, what was it? Was it Too Faced or something like that? Holy crap. All right, but the packaging, it looks like this, if you can see. And then you would just do that. All right, so we have that. And this is a personal preference. I just don't like the needle, this past addiction. I don't know if it could trigger somebody or what. I give myself insulin every night, so needles was never my choice of how I did stuff when I did. So it doesn't affect me, but I get it, you know, I understand it. All right, so we have that. Moving on. The next thing is this big box. What you be? Oh, this is from ZC Cosmetics. I think this is, we got this before. I forget which box. I'm not sure, but this is a highlighter. An Interstellar. Oh my God, wait till you see this. It's beautiful. I love ZC Cosmetics. Like their packaging is just so cute. I mean, look at this. Would you look at this? I mean, it's just so cute. Oh, this ring light. I'll open it up and I'll show you a better picture. But it's gorgeous. Maybe we got it in this box and this is just a different color. I'm not sure, but I do have something. I do have this. I don't know if it's the same shade. Why am I having issues opening everything up? All right, so that is the shade color. It is very pretty. If you guys can see, it's like a light color. Let's do a little swatch. Where is it? This is a baked highlighter. So sometimes, like I can see it a little bit. Can you guys see? I mean, it's there. It's like a pinkish, like champagne color. It's very pretty. But if you ever have an issue, take like your spoolie from your eyebrow pencil or something like that, or sharp, and just sometimes you just scratch the first little layer and then it'll work for you. I mean, this is working now that I'm using it, you know, so yeah. It is very pretty. I do like it. It's nice and soft. That's what I like this. It's not like I don't like those ones that are so blingy. And maybe it's an age thing. I'm not sure. But I do like highlighters. Like highlighters and stuff is coming back. And I'm loving it. All right. How much is that? Okay. So this is the Space Highlighter for $35. Wow. But again, that's not what you pay for that in a beauty subscription. Hence why I love beauty subscriptions. Okay, the next thing is all from Charmacy. I love me some Charmacy. I say that all the time. Oh, they got beautiful duochromes and multichromes. Okay, what are you? Multi-chrome liquid liner by Charmacy for $21. We'll have to see. I don't think I've ever seen a liquid liner that was multi-chrome or even duochrome, really. The struggle is real today, I'm telling you. Come on. Come to mama. Okay. So it looks like that. Let's see. I'm just making it like thick so that you guys can see it. I definitely see it now. Do you see it's like that, but then it has like a bronze color? I don't know. You're going to be able to see it. But you can see like a little bronze color. Let's see if you can see it on here. I don't know. I do see it. It is very pretty. There you go. See that? It's like a rose gold maybe. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, so we have that. The next thing we have is from Arthur Beauty. Okay, so this is how many do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items this month. So this is a bonus item. I'm not sure if this is, it must be a sample size, right? Like a deluxe sample, which is a decent size. And this is $14. It says, add a little magic to your makeup ritual. Infused with real crystals, this gloss brings a supernatural shine and positive energy. Perfect for sealing your spell and your lipstick with good vibes. Okay, let's open her up. It has saran wrap on it. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, I still don't have all the paper off. Look at this. Anyway, this is really pretty. It's a pretty shade. This is something I would wear like over my red lipstick or something. I think it's just going to come clear. It's like clear with just a little bit of pink. You're not even going to be able to see it. But it's very pretty. It's going to make it look like that glossy lip. Do you know what I do? Sometimes when I have a matte lipstick on, I just put gloss right in the center. And it really makes your lips look like juicy, you know? Nice and kissable. Okay, so now we got from Mo. I have never, ever heard of this brand. Mo Mattifier Oil Control Mask. Oh, wait. What brand are you? Let me see. Yeah, it's a face mask by Mo Beauty. I've never heard. It must be a black-owned company. Oh, I'm so excited. This is $6. It says, give your skin a spooky good treat. This hydrating mask revives tired skin after a long night of Halloween fun, leaving your complexion soft, refreshed, and ready for the next costume or candy binge. It also has a fun design, making you look like you got a full face of makeup. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, if you can see that, I don't know what you can see. Oh, we'll have to try this on a video and stuff. Okay, good. Good. This is a great box. And then we got 2 palettes. Oh, my goodness. Okay, they're $35. You could have got the Trick or Treat palette. Each palette hides its own Halloween magic, one full of rich, moody shades for mysterious looks, the other bursting with candy-inspired colors for a sweet glam. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, let's do the Trick palette first. Now, do you guys see why this is my favorite subscription box? This is with Beauty Moon Cosmetics. Okay, let's see. Packaging is adorable. Ooh, okay. So it has a mirror. Look at that. Does it have any? I'm not sure. I thought the eyeshadow fell out. Oh my God. That's why, because I was like, oh, I can't tell if it's matte or not. I was going to swatch it. I thought it was those ones that look like white, but then when you swatch it, it has a shift to it. That's what I thought. That is too funny. Now, this is even more prettier now that came off. Oh my God, I literally got so scared. That is gorgeous. All right, let me go ahead and take off the thingy-majiggies swatches, and then we'll do some swatches. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 shimmer shades and then 6 mattes. So I'm going to swatch the middle. The middle is the shimmer shades. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so that's going in once. Look at that green. Let me do the purple one more time. Oh my God, it's so pretty. The purple is like a purple to pink color. It's gorgeous. Oh, this white one here, this is a shimmer as well. It's called Ghastly Glow. Oh, it's like a silvery color. Oh, yes. That's gorgeous. That will look really pretty in the inner corner of your eye. Or, like, say you want to just put it in the middle of one of the shimmers. That's really pretty. Okay. So we have 4 shimmers and then 5 mattes. Okay. So I'm just going to go down here and then down there. Okay. So these are the 4 mattes, and then I'll do the black. This is the gray that's in there. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Remember, that's the gray color, not the black. All right. And then look at that. That's a true black. Look at, look at that. You see the difference with the gray and the black? Wow. Okay. That's gorgeous. All right, so let's do the Treat palette. This must be the one like that looks like candy. Okay, so it has the mirror, and now I know these are the soft shades. See how it looks like that? I thought it was those ones, remember I said, that looks like this, but when you swatch, it has a shift to it. And there we go. That is gorgeous. Reminds me of like candy corn or something, right? All right, let me take these off, and we'll do these swatches. All right, so I'm going to go down the row here, and then we'll do that shimmer last. Oh, this golden waffle corn is gorgeous. Strawberry sugar. Oh, they're all beautiful. I think I like this palette better. Oh, they're just beautiful. Oh, my gosh. Those are, look at that. Oh, look at that waffle cone color. I mean, look at this. I like the fact that this one has a brown in it instead of another black. Do you know what I mean? I like that. That's pretty. Okay, so that's just going in once. Let's go in that like pinky mauve color again because it's on my pinky, so it's hard to swatch. That is gorgeous. Look at those colors. All right, let me do the brown, the deepest color. That's why I always, because I want to make sure it's always dark enough. That way you can do like a smoky eye, you know? Oh, yes. Yep, yep, yep. Put it right here. Oh, yeah. And these are only swatched one time, except for this one because it was on my pinky and it's hard to swatch. So, look at that. All these are just one time. This is why Ice Cream Beauty is my favorite subscription of all time. All time. I've liked this better than Boxycharm, like all time. Okay, so usually we get 5 products. It says on the website 5 to 7, but you usually always get 5. But this month we got 6. So let's recap. We got the Trick or Treat palette, so you get both of them. We have the mask, and it looks like you have like makeup on and stuff, so we'll have to try that in a video. We have the lip plumper thingy here. This is the bonus item. This is a lip gloss that has real crystals in it. We have a highlighter, and then we have the multi-chrome eyeliner. I mean, this is a great box. There's not one thing in here, you know, that I will not use. This I'm going to try only because I don't like that, you know, thing. But, I mean, I love this subscription so much. That's why, like, I know it was the beginning of November, but we got to unbox the Ice Cream Beauty box. Always. That is a must. Let me know what you think of this subscription. Do you get it? Do you not? Are you thinking about getting it? Don't forget, if you do, use my discount code, Justan in all caps. I make nothing out of it. It is just for you guys. Stay tuned for an upcoming video that I will try on some products. So that will be coming up before November's box comes. I do have the other 2 subscriptions that Ice Cream Beauty does. I'm going to unbox them. And then we have an advent calendar. So I got a lot to do. Alright guys, please thumbs up this video. It really does help me out. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. Subscribe if you like my content and want to see more of it. Share my videos if you think somebody else would enjoy them. And don't forget to check out my blog channel. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Alright, that only took me 2 times to say the outro. Not bad, not bad.